Every nation is defined by its journey and the shared vision of its people. It is a journey built on the foundations of heritage, the strength of our community, and a steady move toward a brighter horizon. As we continue to strengthen our institutions, the bond between the people and those who serve them becomes our greatest asset. Transparency is the bridge that connects our aspirations to our reality. Today, we open a new window into the heart of our democracy. Welcome to Gole Kaab, a transformative digital initiative for the Somali Federal Parliament. This platform is our digital bridge, designed to strengthen the bond between the Somali people, civil society, and our lawmakers through transparency and accountability. Our homepage serves as a professional dashboard, allowing every citizen to follow legislative developments and monitor parliamentary performance. Here is the structure of the Gole Kaab project website portal, designed for intuitive access to every branch of our parliamentary work. Starting at the top, we have the About Us section, which provides the vision and mission of this transparency initiative. Next is the House of the People, shown here as HOP. Under this critical menu, you will find the Members portal and the Committees section. Within Committees, we provide access to committee meetings and the Call for Comments portal. The next main section is Functions. This houses our primary legislative work, including bills, legislation and laws, and a dedicated Call for Comments section. It also covers the core parliamentary pillars of oversight and representation. Following this is the Performance section. This is a critical area for accountability, allowing the public to track member attendance and specific votings. Moving across the header, we have the Federal Member States, shown here as FMS. This is followed by our independent reports and the latest updates in the blog. The Citizen Engagement section is your hub for participation, featuring both upcoming events and past events. And finally, we have Contact Us, ensuring an open line of communication for all users of the portal. Accountability is built directly into our front page. Under Latest Reports, we provide the public with clear, documented evidence of plenary sessions. These reports are prepared by independent civil society observers to provide an evidence-based look at our progress and challenges. Directly below, you can see latest committee meetings. This section highlights the active oversight sessions where committees engage with executive institutions and independent agencies. By bringing this data to the front page, Gole Kaab ensures that the hard work of the government is visible to everyone, not just those inside the chamber. Beyond monitoring data, Gole Kaab is a platform for active, lived democracy. On the right side of our homepage, the Citizen Engagement section captures the vital dialogue between civil society organizations and the state. As we click into this recent report, we see a high-level consultative session held by SANSA under the Gole Kaab project. Gole Kaab serves as the definitive digital legal archive for the Somali Federal Parliament. In the Legislations and Laws section, we provide the public with direct access to recently enacted legislation, such as the income tax law designed to strengthen domestic revenue and economic governance. Beyond current laws, this portal preserves our national legal history. It houses vital historical documents, including the 1960 English version of the Somalia Constitution and the 1979 Constitution. By making these foundational documents accessible, Gole Kaab ensures that every citizen and legal professional can trace the constitutional journey of our nation. For the attendees today, this represents the project's commitment to building a transparent and accessible legal framework. To keep you connected in real time, the bottom of our homepage features a live social media integration. Here you can view our latest updates directly through our Facebook and X live feeds. Simply interact with these sections to be taken directly to Gole Kaab's official pages, ensuring you never miss a conversation on our legislative progress.